Today we are cleaning carpets. We're gonna start by moving all the furniture off the carpet so that we can get everywhere in the family room. So any dark stains, make sure to take care of first before you do your pre-treatment. Your pre-treatment is going to take care of your high traffic areas, which you can kind of see, but any spots you're going to want to take care of first. Spot treat any spots. So for that, I have our 3-way spotter and a carpet rake to kind of work it up into the fibers of the carpet. Next up, I'm going to be pre-treating my carpet. So I'm using our 2-in-1, and this is great to spray around your carpet and then work it in with a carpet rake before you start carpet cleaning, so it has time to sit and to lift the dirt in the high traffic areas. Okay, while I'm pre-spraying, I'm definitely focusing on the high traffic areas, gonna kind of mist this down in and then work it in with a carpet rake. Next, I'm filling up the bucket, which is about 2.5 gallons that I'm gonna put in the extractor of water, and then I'm going to mix in my carpet shampoo. It's 2-in-1 as well. It's 2-in-1 because it's a pre-treat and an extractor shampoo cleaner. So I'm going to mix about 4 ounces into the water, and we're going to start cleaning. Right, now that we're done with the 2-in-1, we're going to dump it out, and you'll see how dirty the water is. So there's this little lever, you just pull to release. Oh, my carpet! This is why you carpet clean regularly. Okay, this is what I would say is the third and final and most important step, is using a carpet rinse and neutralizer. So we're now going to fill up our bucket of water and pour the same dilution of the carpet rinse in it, because that's going to remove the shampoo in the carpet and bring your carpets back to pH level so that soil does not attract to it in the future. Okay, now we have a new fresh tank of water with the carpet rinse and neutralizer and a carpet tip for you. So the first time with the 2-in-1, we went north to south, and this time we're gonna go east to west, because the carpet rinse also will help pull up stuff and clean your carpets as well. Okay, this is the second dump. Let's see what it looks like now. Oh, this is dirty. Good thing we did 2 different passes, 2 different directions on the carpet.